Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about different types of formulas of arithmetic mean. In this class we are going to discuss how to solve the problems using arithmetic mean formulas. Let's start problem number 1, that is calculate mean for the following data by direct and shortcut method. So here given informations are 13, 15, 16, 18, 16, 15 and 13. Okay, let's see the solution part. See, these are given observations. So these observations are, see here only one set of observations are given. In the sense, see these given informations are X observations. So these are ungrouped data, and here we need to calculate mean, and there are mean for the following data by using direct and shortcut method. So first let's see how to solve mean in direct method. So here given informations are X observations. So X observations are 13, 15, 16, 18, 16, 15 and 13. So X observations are 13, 15, 16, 18, 16, 15 and 13. See here only X observations are given, therefore it is ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, in direct method, the mean formula is X bar is equal to sum of X divided by n, small letter n. Sum of X in the sense summation of X observations or sum of X observations. So here X observations are given, so we need to do sum of X observations. So that sum of X observations, the first observation is 13 plus 15 plus 16 plus 18 plus 16 plus 15 plus 13. So here sum of X observation is 106. So summation of X is 106. So in the place of summation of X I will substitute 106. So here sum of X is 106. Then what is n? N in the sense that is total number of observations. So here total number of observations are, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here n is 7. So in the place of n I will substitute 7. So that is 106 divided by 7 is, that is 15.14. 15.14. See, in direct method mean answer is 15.14. Okay, next, so here direct method is over. Next let's see how to solve shortcut method. So next is shortcut method. Okay, so here given informations are ungrouped data. So in ungrouped data, to calculate mean, the shortcut method formula is X bar is equal to A plus sum of U divided by small letter n. See here U, to calculate U, the formula is, that is U is equal to X minus A. So here A is assumed mean. So here I will consider assumed mean is 13. So here why it is 13 is, see here 13 is smallest value. So in given information, so given observation, so in X observation 13 is smallest value. So here I will consider A is equal to 13 to avoid negative value. So to avoid negative value I will consider smallest value in X observation. So here smallest value is 13. So A is equal to 13. So how to calculate u is equal to x minus a? See x. So first here in x observation, first x observation is 13. So in the place of x I will substitute 13. 13 minus what is a here? So a is 13. Therefore 13 minus 13 is 0. Okay, next here x observation is 15. So 15 minus a. So a is 13. So 15 minus 13 is 2. Okay, next x observation is 16. So next minus a is 13. So 16 minus 13, that is 3. Next x observation is 18 minus a is 13. So 18 minus 13 is 5. Next 16. So next x observation is 16 minus a is 13. So 16 minus 13 is 3. Next x observation is 15. So 15 minus a is 13. So 15 minus 13 is 2. Next x observation is 13 minus a is 13. So 13 minus 13 is 0. So these are u observations. These are u observations. See, based on formula we need to find sum of u. So sum of u, how to calculate? So if I add all these u observation, then I will get sum of u. So sum of u is, that is 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0, that is 15. So here we got sum of u is 15. Okay, now I will substitute all these value under this formula. So x bar is equal to, what is a here? A is 13. So in the place of a I will substitute 13 plus sum of u. So that is 15 divided by, what is n here? N is 7. So this is equal to 13 plus, so 15 divided by 7 is 2.14. So 15 divided by 7 is 2.14. This is equal to 13 plus 2.14 is 15.14. See, here we got same answer but the formulas are different. So here we got same answer but formulas are different. So this is all about first problem. Okay, next move to second problem. So your second problem is calculate mean for the following data by direct and step deviation method. So here given observations are 1400, 1500, 1560, 1440, 1475, 1490, 1575, 1520, 1570 and 1480. So these are the given observations, and see here only one set of observation is given here. Therefore this is x observations and this is ungrouped data, and here we need to calculate mean using direct method and step deviation method. Let's see how to solve mean in direct method. So here it is direct method. And here given informations are that is 1400, 1500, 1560, 1440, 1475, then 1490, next 1575, 1520, 1470 and 1480. So the observations are 1400, 1500, 1560, 1440, 1475, 1090, 1575, 1520, 1470 and 1480. So first, to calculate mean in direct method, the formula is x bar is equal to sum of x divided by n. So here given observations are x observations. Yes, here sum of these observations are, that is first observation is 1400 plus 1500 plus 1560 plus 1440 plus 1475 plus 1490 plus 1575 plus 1520 plus 1470 plus 1480. So here sum of x observations are 14,910. So here sum of x is 14910. Okay, now I will substitute the sum of x in the place of sum of x in the formula. So that is, so here sum of x is 14,910. So divided by what is n? N in the sense total number of observations. So here total number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here small letter n is equal to 10. So in the place of n I will substitute 10. So this is equal to, so 14,910 divided by 10 is 1491. So here in direct method mean is 1491. Okay, next, so here direct method is over. Next let's see how to solve mean in step deviation method. So next step deviation method formula is, so these here given in observations are ungrouped data. In ungrouped data step deviation method, to calculate mean, the formula is x bar is equal to, yes, a plus summation u divided by n. We know that how to calculate u. So to calculate u, the formula is x minus a. So what is a here? A is assumed mean. So here I will consider smallest value as a. So here smallest value is 1400. Therefore here a is equal to 1400. So I will substitute values in this formula u. So here a is first value is 1400 minus what is a? A is 1400. So here x is first value is 1400 minus 1400 is 0. Okay, next x value is 1500 minus a is 1400 is equal to, so 1500 minus 1400 is 100. Next x value is 1560 minus 1400, a is 1400. So that is 1560 minus a is 1400 is 160. Next 1440, next x value is 1440 minus a, that is 1400. So here, sorry, 1400. So 1440 minus 1400 is 40. Next x value is 1475 minus 1400. So the value is 75. Next here it is 1490 minus 1400. So the value is 90. Next 1575 minus 1400 is equal to 175. Next 1520 minus 1400, that is 120. Next 1470 minus 1400 is equal to 70. So 70. Okay, next 1480 minus 1400 is equal to 80. See, these are u observations. So based on formula we need sum of u. Sum of u is nothing but that is sum of the u observations. So here u observations are like this. We need to find sum of u. So that is 0 plus 100 plus 160 plus 40 plus 75 plus 90 plus 175 plus 120 plus 70 plus 80 is 910. So here sum of u is 910. So now I will substitute these values under this formula. So this is x bar is equal to, what is A? A is 1400 plus sum of u is 910 divided by n. So here n is 10. So this is equal to 1400 plus 910 divided by 10 is 91. So this is equal to 1400 plus 91 is 1491. So see here we got same answer but formulas are different. So this is all about problem number 2. Okay, next move to problem number 3. So here problem number 3 is calculate mean for the following data by direct and deviation method. So here given observations are 61, 62, 63, 61, 63, 64, 64, 60, 65, 63, 64, 65, 66 and 64. So these are the given information. See here only one set of observations are given, in the sense these are x observations. So if it is x observation, so this is ungrouped data. So see the question. So here we need to calculate mean. Here mean is nothing but arithmetic mean. So here we need to calculate mean using direct and step deviation method. Let's see the first method, that is direct method. So here I will write direct method. And here given informations are, so here x observations are given, so that observations are 61, 62, 63, 61, 63, 64, 64, 60, 65, then 63, 64, 65, 66 and 64. That is 61, 62, 63, 61, 63, 64, 64, 60, 65, then 63, 64, 65, 66 and 64. So here given informations are, so these are given observations. So to calculate mean, so these are ungrouped data. So in case of direct method, to calculate mean, the ungrouped data formula is x bar is equal to summation x divided by small letter n. So first we need to find summation x. Here these are x observation, then sum of x is, so that is 61 plus 62 plus 63 plus 61 plus 63 plus 64 plus 64 plus 60 plus 65 plus 63 plus 64 plus 65 plus 66 plus 64. So here sum of x is 885. So here sum of x is 885. So in the place of sum of x I will substitute 885. So divided by, what is small letter n? Here small letter n in the sense that is total number of observations. So here these are given observations. So here total number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here small letter n is 14. So in the place of n I will substitute 14. So this is equal to 885 divided by 14 is 63.21. 63.21. Okay, let's see how to calculate mean in deviation method. So next is deviation method formula. In ungrouped data case, to calculate mean, deviation method formula is x bar is equal to a plus sum of u divided by n. So here x observations are there. Next we need to calculate u observations. So to calculate u, the formula is x minus a. See here x is 61. We need to find a. So here it is, first observation is x is 61. Then what is A? Say A is assumed mean. So here we need to select the smallest value of X observation. So here smallest value of X observation is 61. Why it is smallest value of X observation? To avoid negative values. So here smallest value is 60. Yes, here smallest value is 60. Therefore, I will take A as 60. So here the first X observation is 61 minus A is 60. So 61 minus 60, in the sense here it is 1. Next 62 minus A is 60. So 62 minus 60 is 2. 63 minus 60 is 3. 61 minus 60 is 1. 63 minus 60 is 3. 64 minus 60 is 4. Then 64 minus 60 is 4. 60 minus 60 is 0. 65 minus 60 is 5. Then 63 minus 60 is 3. Then 64 minus 60 is 4. Then 65 minus 60 is 5. Then 66 minus 60 is 6. Then 64 minus 60 is 4. So these are U observations. See, based on formula we need sum of U. Therefore we need to find total of this U observation, that is sum of U. So that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 is 45. So here sum of U is 45. Okay, now I will substitute in this formula. So X bar is equal to, what is A? A is 60 plus summation of U is 45 divided by small letter n. See here small letter n is 14. So in the place of n it is 14. So that is 60 plus 45 divided by 14 is, that is 3.21. So this is equal to 60 plus 3.21 is 63.21. See here answers are same but formulas are different. This is all about calculation of mean of ungrouped data in case of direct and step deviation method. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.